back with another little magic video. I'm gonna show you how to get milk in an empty glass without going to the fridge. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you have to spin it in a circle. That. Spin. Ah, crap. That's a banana. If you look through the book, it's a freaking banana. Maybe faster? I don't know. And I guess it changed to milk now. And it tastes like bananas. I don't mind the flavor, but milk shouldn't taste like bananas. Well, I guess that's how you change an empty glass into an empty glass with milk in it. Wait, if it has milk in it, how is it? Okay. Yeah, anyway, see you next time.